we are visiting India to celebrate a super fun festival called Holi. Have you ever heard of Holi? It's also called Phagwah in some places. It's a festival full of colors, happiness, and love.
Oh, look at all the colors. It looks so bright and beautiful. But why do people celebrate Holi, Cappy?
Great question, Bindi. Holi is a festival that celebrates the arrival of spring. It's a time to spread love, forgive others, and start fresh. It also reminds us of the victory of good over evil.
Wow, a festival that teaches us to be kind and happy? That's amazing. So, how do we celebrate Holi, Cappy?
First, we start with a bonfire the night before called Holika Dahan. It teaches us that kindness and truth always win over bad things. And the next day, we throw colors, dance, and eat yummy sweets like gujia and jalebi. Let's try it.
This is so much fun, and look at all the beautiful colors. Holi is not just fun, it also teaches us to be happy, forgive, and love one another, right?
That's right, Bindi. No matter where we come from, Holi reminds us that we are all connected. It's a time for friendship, happiness, and new beginnings.
I love Holi. Let's always spread joy and kindness like this.
Holi's here, let's jump and cheer. Colors flying everywhere. Red and yellow, green and blue. Let's paint the world in a rainbow hue. Throw, throw, throw the colors high. Watch them sparkle in the sky. Laugh and play, shout hooray. It's a happy holiday. Dancing feet, go tap, tap, tap. Splashing colors, splish and splat. Sweet, sweet treats, take a bite. Gujia tastes just right. Throw, throw, throw the colors high. Watch them sparkle in the sky. Laugh and play, shout hooray. It's a happy holiday. Holi teaches love and light. Kindness makes the world so bright. Let's forgive, start anew. Hug a friend and say, I love you. Throw, throw, throw the colors high. Watch them sparkle in the sky. Laugh and play, shout hooray. It's a happy holiday. Throw, throw, throw the colors high. Watch them sparkle in the sky. Laugh and play, shout hooray. It's a happy holiday.
Thank you for joining us today, friends. Cappy Tiny Travels wishes everyone a happy Holi celebration. Be safe and have lots of fun. Until next time, bye-bye, friends.